Somewhere, a company you've never heard of has a file on you. Your address, your age, what you buy, what you quietly worry about. You never met them, you never agreed to it. And every single day, they sell that file to whoever pays. So who are they, and how do you get your file closed? Picture the town gossip, the one who quietly notices everything, where you live, who visits, what you just bought. They write it all down in a little file. Now imagine they sell that file to anyone who hands over cash. That's a data broker, a gossip that does it for a living, about millions of people at once. Here's the thing, they don't hack you. You hand it over, a piece at a time. The loyalty card at the shop, the free app on your phone, a quiz, a giveaway, the fine print you scrolled past, public records too, things that were never really secret. On its own, each piece looks harmless. But they buy and scrape these pieces and stitch them into one profile. And that profile is bigger than you'd think. Your name and every address you've lived at. Your age, your family, a guess at your income. What you buy, where you go, what you might be worried about. A whole portrait of your life, one you never saw and never approved. So who's buying? Advertisers, of course, that part you might expect. But the files get sliced into lists. Recently widowed, owns crypto, elderly, deep in debt, and the scammer can buy exactly the list they want. That file is where the perfect scam text, the perfect call, the too good friendship all begin. The gossip's notes become someone else's weapon. For a long time, this was invisible and you couldn't do much about it. That's finally changing. New laws give you the right to say, delete me. And one place just built a single button that wipes you from registered brokers at once. It's the first of its kind, and the idea is already spreading. The gossip is being forced to close the file. So, here's how to take your file back. 4 moves. 1. Feed it less. Skip the loyalty card and the quiz, and give a throwaway email instead of your real one. 2. Opt out of the big brokers directly. It's free, it's just slow and tedious. Or let a removal service do it for you, over and over, so it stays done. 3. Use your delete rights. If your area has a one-stop delete button, use it. If not, the requests still work, one broker at a time. 4. Lock the front door. Fewer apps with your real details means less to leak out in the first place. You won't vanish completely, but you can shrink that file a lot. So a data broker is just a gossip with a file and a price list. You can't unknow a gossip, but you can make them close your file, feed them less, and ask to be deleted. If someone you know thinks they have nothing to hide, send them this. Calm and simple. I'll see you in the next one.